Well, good afternoon, folks. So, working on the '01 Wrangler today. My AC is starting to act up on it. I've already replaced this little solenoid deal. That's right up in there. So, what this thing is doing is it's staying on high no matter what I select. Yeah, let me throw the key in and I'll show you what it's doing. I can literally switch between everything and it doesn't change it. So I ordered a new switch for here, and I also ordered a new pigtail just in case I've got something melted or shorted out or something in there. I don't know what's going on in there, but I'm going to try just to replace this one switch versus the entire assembly. So I'm going to pass the camera off to my kid and get started on this thing. So the parts I got this one off Amazon. That's the part number. That's the actual switch. Hopefully it's the right one. It was like $9. And then I also got this little pigtail for the switch, also off Amazon. It was around $15. So to get started, you have to pop up on this thing very carefully. I'll take it apart, you worry about just filming. So you got two Phillips screws up here. It's pretty self-explanatory. So after that, if you give it, oh, I gotta take the ash screw out. There should be a Phillips up under there also. No, hopefully this fixes it because it's about 110 degrees here in South Texas right now. But at night, it gets down to high 60s to 70s, so you really don't want the AC blowing full blast the entire time. Just broke that. Yeah, this does already popped off once. I tried using a soldering gun and melting it back on. Looks like I have to do it again. So you got two more Phillips screws here. So yeah, looks like the switch is burned up. Let's see. Yeah, see, all that's all melted. This is all melted also. That's broken.
Hold it to where we can see. So you're taking that off right now?
Yeah. Loosen it up a little bit. Just because it's got a shaft that comes through on this deal. See? So hopefully that gives me enough room to pop that out like that. Hopefully it's the same switch, it looks the same. So, pretty close. We'll find out if it works. First I'm gonna That pigtail looks a little melted, but I'm gonna try it first and see what it does before I go into splicing all that, because that's all loose.
Works.
No, it's not liking the high. One, two, three. Doesn't like high. I think it's, yeah, something with the harness. See? So I'm also gonna go ahead and replace the harness too. What?
I'm trying to see if you can go feed the cow.
We'll feed the cow a little bit.
And now that's all we can.
Okay, well, I'm working on this right now. So, just need a couple connectors. Here's the harness. So, let me go grab a razor blade. Just stay here.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up, cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
think you're supposed to be taking that back off and on to put the screws in.
Yeah, that's been kind of funky. I don't remember that gap being there.
I don't either. Unless... And right here, this used to be out more.
No.
Yeah, I was never in that much. Your hat was just in the way. So got the top two done. Put that little soft squishy thing in. You want to try it on and see? Oh. Whoa. It's all dusty. So that's high.
It's a done deal. All this stuff here works fine. So I didn't need to replace the entire thing. I just had to replace that switch. Good to go.